Everything changes when you have a family. Hello, I'm John, and I'm a family man. Now I'm a father. And before I became a father, me and my wife were business owners, and we started our brand by ourselves when we were in college, and up until now, it's growing very well. As I've said, it really changes a lot when you have a family. Everything, your time commitment, your habits, your priorities. But here's the thing that I've observed: my motivation to really make it through life and live the best fulfilling life and grow myself and my businesses, my motivation is through the roof, because it's another layer of responsibility that I need to do. And for me, it's very fulfilling to have a family. Just, hearing my child laugh and, seeing his first moments, it's something that you can now hear his voice. He is actually singing before sleeping, so yeah. But going back to the topic, everything changes. So when you are a business owner and then you're thinking about having a family, just think about that, okay? For me, it was actually unplanned, but we are ready. We are ready for it. And we're so happy we have him now. And yes, it was very abrupt. In just like 1 year, everything changed. Right now, I know that when I flop, someone else will be affected. And I don't want that to happen. And that fact alone gives me more motivation and inspiration to continue building, to continue making impact to this world. Because I believe that when you make impact to this world, the world will come back to you and then, okay, here's for you. And that is why I'm creating all these content. And if you are an entrepreneur like me, if you are also building your own business and you also have a family, kudos to you. I'm actually now looking for successful entrepreneurs who also have made it, even with a family. So I've been reading some books about it. And hello to my wife. She's in the video. So yeah, that's it. We're now going outside, having some time. We're gonna work together.